Welcome to Optivise. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check your listing quality scores on the Mirakl platform. First, log into your Mirakl account and click Catalog Management. Select the products you want, or your entire catalog, and click Generate Export File. When the file is ready, download it, open it in Excel, and save it. This step is important to ensure we can correctly process your data. Next, switch to Optivise, log in and click Upload a File. Choose Optimise Mirakl Listings, then choose the marketplace where your data originated. Select your saved file and hit Upload. Processing takes about 5 seconds per SKU. When processing finishes, click View Scores to see each product's listing quality score. Each product gets a score out of 100, based on the strength of its titles, descriptions, and facets. Higher scores mean better ranking and stronger conversion. We also flag issues that will lead to rejection, like this bed, which is missing size and material, which are required attributes. You can click into any product to see what's missing. We'll show you both the free text fields and the facet drop-downs. Just fill in the gaps and select from drop-down options that match the live data requirements for each marketplace. The closer your score is to 100%, the better it will rank and convert. If you want to fully optimize your products in seconds, just select the SKUs and click Optivise. In this example, we've optimized a kitchen tap, rewriting the title and descriptions and completing all facets which boost your score. Every change is explained, and we provide a confidence score out of 100 so you know exactly what's been improved and why. We analyze your original data and images to enhance your descriptions and fill in missing facets, so your listing works seamlessly across titles, text, images, and attributes. Once reviewed, your products are ready. Download your optimized listings and upload them to start driving results. Ready to get started? Check your catalog for free at optivise.io.